personal finances, what's your investment or diversification strategy?
Major investment talaga is all the profits, as much as possible, we reinvest it back to the business. Of all the investment platforms out there, the business is the fastest way to generate a lot of money. That's really the truth. You have more control if you have the capacity to manage a business at alam mo talaga kung paano palaguin yung negosyo mo, mas mabilis talaga siya. Unlike if you put pag-ibig, pag-MP2, time deposit, parang hayaan mo lang yung pera, sila yung magmamanage eh. So out of control ka na nun. Pag meron na talagang sobra, we diversify it sa real estate. Meron din kaming stock market. I really like the stock market because it's easier to understand at the same time. Pag alam mo lang talaga yung negosyo na pinasukan mo, like the financials of the company, the profiles of the company, then the odds of you gaining money in the stock market in the Philippines is actually good. REITs, we also have investments in like digital banks, and we also actually have crypto as well. But of all the investments that we have, crypto is the least in terms of percentage kasi napaka-volatile ng crypto market. Personally guys, just going to be transparent with you, I don't have a Pag-ibig MP2 account. I tried opening one like way back for the sake lang na maintindihan ko, ito pala yung process. Hindi ko kasi gusto na i-lock in yung pera ng ganun katagal. I'm the type of investor that I can also pull out the funds because if I see another opportunity tulad ng real estate, hala mura, I can liquidate the assets here and put the funds there. Ganun yung parang style ko.